And we're back. We're looking at problem number 3 on page 90. Oh, look, there it is. I've copied it down already. We have x minus 7 all over a divide by 3 equals a negative 12. Now, at first glance, you're like, oh, the divide by 3 is more powerful than the minus 7. Don't forget, these extended fraction bars mean you need to do everything on top and then everything on the bottom. So these invisible brackets actually overthrow which one's weaker and which one's stronger. The minus 7 is actually now a stronger connection than the divide by 3. Why? Because brackets are more powerful. So you divide by 3, you are now the weakest operation. How do you get rid of a divide by 3? Easy. Take both sides times 3. Okay, cancel, cancel. Oh, forgot my rule. Okay, times left, times right. All right, let's rewrite. Since everything on the bottom of the fraction bar disappears, the fraction bar is now completely useless. So get rid of it. Negative 12 times 3 is a negative 36. All right, so we knocked out the division. We now have just a subtraction to get rid of, so now it's just smooth sailings. Okay, that seems like it's way too aggressive. There's no way you can be that aggressive with a math situation. No, it's actually completely fine. Okay, so negative 36 plus 7 should get me up to a negative 29. All right, there we go. That's what happens when you have an extended fraction bar. Did you say you wanted another example? Well, great. Here's the got it question on page 90. Okay, 6 equals x minus 2 all over 4. So when you say all over 4, hopefully that reminds you to think that. First thing we gotta do is get rid of the divide by 4. Okay, times 4 times 4. So you cancel, you cancel. Better remind myself to do the same thing to both sides. 4 times 6 is a 24. 24 is going to equal x minus 2. All of this noise goes away. This goes and the fraction bar goes. So we just have the x minus 2 left. How do you get rid of a minus 2? Hopefully by now you're pretty good at this. X is going to equal a 26. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You flipped it around. Yeah, you totally do that. You should do that. If the variable is on the wrong side, the right side, just flip it right at the end. It should have been 26 equals x, but we'd all answer it this way. X equals 26. Variable goes first. That's like an unwritten rule of algebra. Well, it's not really an unwritten rule. It's what you should do. Okay, most math teachers agree on that at least. So anyway, quick replay. When you got a big old fraction bar, make sure you remove the things that are not in the brackets, and then everything should be okay. So the division is now weaker than the subtraction, and then same thing here. This division is now weaker than the subtraction because of the invisible brackets. Okay, problem number 4 coming in hot.